Hi everybody! In this video, I will be discussing or explaining to you why um, multiplying integers with the same sign will lead you to a positive answer, while multiplying integers with different signs will lead you always to a negative answer. Okay? But first, let us recall um, the part of multiplication. Okay, so if we have two numbers being multiplied, we actually call the first one as our multiplicand, while the second one is the multiplier. Okay, while the answer is the product. Okay, so here now, before I will teach you or explain to you, I mean a meaningful description of what happened. I hope this will be meaningful to you. Um, Please take note of this. This is the multiplicand, right? And the second one is the multiplier. Okay, take note of this. The first one, the first number is the first or the multiplicand will suggest a direction. This will always suggest a direction, whether let's go to the right, represented by positive. Let's go to the left, represented by negative. Okay? The second one, the multiplier, will say the final decision, whether to agree with the suggestion or to disagree or go to the opposite one. So in this case, we only have two directions. If it agrees, then whatever is suggested, that will be followed. But if the second or the multiplier disagrees, that means they will go to the opposite direction. Okay, like for example, if the wait for a while here, say for example, if the multiplicand is suggesting to go to the right, but the one to decide says, let's go to the right, I agree. Then they both go to the right. That means positive. But if the leader says, no, let's not go to the right, let's go to the opposite direction, represented by the negative sign, that means it disagrees with the suggestion, then they will not go to the positive as suggested. They will go to the opposite direction, which is, of course, negative. Okay? Now, what about if the, sorry, what about if the suggestion or what is suggested is, hey, let's go to the left, and then the one to decide says, no, I disagree with you. That means negative. So since it disagrees with the suggestion that they'll go to the left side, then they'll go to the opposite side. That's what is meant by the negative sign in the multiplier. So that means they will go to the opposite sign, which is positive. Again, the reason why negative times negative is positive is because the negative sign in the multiplier um, suggests that it disagrees with the sign in the multiplier. And the disagreement means that it will go instead to the opposite direction or opposite sign. So what's the opposite of the suggested sign? Negative. Of course, the opposite is positive. That is why it's positive. The same is true if we have um wait for a while. Yeah, that's the end. Thank you.